Fellow comrades, I bring greetings to all of you. This is still Mazi David Ota, the Italian mobilization officer. This message is going directly to all the old coordinators in Italy that are still working with this expelled group of people. My question to you all is, what have they done to you? These are men that I know. They were courageous. They were dogged. Men that question everything. You guys used to question everything. You don't just hear and take it. You like to question and ask question and ask question. During the time of Michael Ribragna, the former Italian national coordinator, you guys used to bombard him with questions. During the first time office of Mazu Romano Sogro, you guys used to do the same, asking questions in everything. You used to question everything. What went wrong is what I cannot figure out. Why is it that you people no longer ask questions? Just this year, between, I believe and I know, on the month of April this year, a meeting was held. On that meeting, KK, which is then the Italian national coordinator, was not in that meeting. He was on the meeting, but he was busy with work. So his deputy, which is Ikechukwu Odrukwe, was presiding over that meeting, while KK was still a little bit busy with his work. He asked Ikechukwu to take over that meeting. On the month of April this year, on that meeting, Ikechukwu told us that our Jewish brethren who are sympathetic to what we are doing, these are our Jewish brothers who have properties here, some of them that do not want to abandon their properties for the Italian government. They decided to support what we are doing with a house, instead of them to abandon that house. They gave us that house. They dashed us that house. From Ikechukwu Odrukwe's mouth, we all heard this. Evarestus also supported him, saying that these people, they dashed us this house. These our Jewish brethren, they dashed us this house. Immediately these two people finished speaking, KK switched in to counter this information, saying that that house was bought with money. When he made this statement that this house was bought with money, some people now ask him, where is that house located? KK could not answer that question because he has no idea where that house is located. The only person that I know is Ikechukwu Odrukwe, because this house is located in Padova. So KK came in to counter those his men. These are his right-hand men that he surrounded himself with. Those of them that we are telling us the truth that that house was a gift from our brother. He rushed in to counter that, saying that that house was bought. But how can you tell us that this house was bought? First, you do not know where the house was located. You do not know the address of this house. The only person that can tell is Ikechukwu Odrukwe. But you switched and twisted everything, telling us then that the house was bought with money. Okay, let's pretend that this house was bought with money. My question now is to the old coordinators who were men that used to ask questions, but all of a sudden, I don't know, what have they done to your brain? I don't know. These men were brave. These men were men that you can't take for a ride. These men were formidable. They asked questions, but all of a sudden, I don't know what went wrong. This man has been boxed into coma that they can no longer speak up. They need a dynamite to be able to wake them up again, that they may begin to think straight. But the question I want to leave to all of you that are coordinators still following these people is it not time you begin to ask questions? On the meeting we have on May this year, that meeting was all about updating us about 30th of May. I raised a question and I asked, are we going to print some t-shirts, some other things that we normally do every 30th of May so that people that are coming to 30th of May can buy them? You know, we used to do this every year. The response I got from KK was, we will not print any t-shirt this year because we have no money, that the only money we had has been used to buy that house. Listen again. He said, the only money we had left in the account has been used to buy that house. Now the question is, was this house really bought with money? Was this house really bought with money? If the answer is yes, can you people now ask, where are the documents of this house? How much does this house cost? How did you make the payment of this house? Did you make part payment? Did you pay cash? Where are the documents? Which bank did you use? The bank transaction. Which bank did you use to do this transaction? Or whose name was this money paid into? These are important questions that I'm leaving for all the old coordinators that are still following these people. Whose name was this money paid into? Whose name? Whose account? Which of the bank did they use it in making this transaction? Can you now see the document? Can you show us the documents of this house, where this house is located? And thirdly, what was the purpose of buying this house? And now that these guys are no longer working under Ipob, under the leadership of our supreme leader, how about now? They've been selling these lies, and you guys has been buying these lies. I refuse to buy these lies. I refuse from day one to accept these lies. But you people go on accepting these lies until you allow these lies to consume you. The time is now. Ask this question. See the documents of the house. How much did this house cost? How did they pay the money for this house? Very, very important. The door is still open. You can make a U-turn now and God will bless you.